People are too lazy to open the cover and put the water outlet device on it. Put the teacup in the slot and squat down with the tip in place. Put the water tray next to the tea machine and you can make tea and put it in. The tea we like to drink does not need to be heated. Turn on this switch and the water will be hot water. You can adjust any type of tea you want by turning the knob. You can also set the water time and the number of pots to brew. You can adjust it. Press the button and the water will come out in seconds. After the tea is filtered, it will flow into the mail cup. The filter is very clean and there are no impurities. Whether you want to drink light or strong, it can satisfy the guests he entertains. The merchant who was very popular in the past has heard your voice. Let's take a look first. We can usually feel that the feet are very strong, like chopsticks or spoons. And it is very easy to stir up big lumps. You don't have these problems at all with this one. What is the key? You don't need to touch the water to wash the cup after use, which is very suitable for lazy people like me, needless to say. The stir stick can also be taken off. The handle can be stored in the storage area and used as an ordinary drinking quilt. After many repair techniques, I finally chose this supply track socket. What is the key? There is a button below it. After pressing and holding it, you can select 90 degrees for the time and it can move by itself. As for my line, I almost couldn't plug it in. It has a main switch. You don't have to worry about the safety of electricity. If there isn't enough space left at the front of the decoration, just choose this one.
Now let's find out how to get the product in the video. There are 3 different ways to get the product. The first method is to buy from one of the stores that sell tools and household appliances, scattered around or near us. The second method, Facebook pages for selling home appliances. The third method, through websites that sell home appliances and ship them to different countries of the world. The following are the most important of these websites: Amazon and eBay and Walmart and Bestbuy, also Target and Lowe's. I will leave you the electronic addresses of these sites in the description of this video. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the alerts button so that you receive notification or alert of each new video. Also, do not forget to like the video.